Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be something a little bit different. I am going to sit down and talk to you guys about Herbalife products. So I have something super exciting that I want to share with you guys today. If you guys are familiar with me and you know my story, I recently started my whole weight loss journey. Most of my videos that I have been uploading are more weight loss related. I do post exercise videos of myself going to the gym 3 times a week, but I do only upload 2 workout videos a week. I did tell you guys that I had some exciting news, and I'm so excited to finally be able to share that with you guys. I did become a Herbalife distributor, so that basically means that I am a wellness coach. I am here to help you guys. If you guys want to place orders for Herbalife, all you have to do is come to me and I can help you guys. I can basically just tell you guys what products to buy, what they're good for, what you need, and we can just come up with the plan that's going to work best for you. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about what I take and how it has helped me so far. I started off with taking what you would call like the starter pack. That's what it's called, but you do not have to start off with buying all of these things if it is not in your budget, and I'll tell you guys why in a little bit. So the basic package has 1 protein, 2 Formula 1s, which are 2 different flavors, 1 tea, 1 aloe, and 90 tablets, which are cellulose pills. You get 90 tablets of those. So all of this totals up to like $248. That is what I started off with. That is what I'm still taking. I have added more stuff, like I have added more things that I take now, but I do not buy it all like boom in one order. I buy my stuff every now and then, like, you know, when I can afford it, because it is very expensive. Would I keep on buying it? Of course I would, because I know that it's good for me. I know what it's doing to my body, to my health. I feel amazing. So yes, I think it is expensive, but I also know that it is a very good investment. So just look at it that way. Another way that you can start off, if Herbalife is something that you want to do, but you do, like, for some reason you cannot afford $248, you could start off with just the protein and 2 Formula 1s with a probiotic. Okay, so I had to switch over to my phone because I really want to get this video up for you guys, and I do not want to wait. My camera ran out of battery, so we're switching over to my phone, and I hope you guys do not mind. So I just finished placing my very first order, so I'm so excited. Round of applause for me. So yeah, there are definitely different ways that you guys can get your stuff depending on your budget, what your goals are, and stuff like that. I can definitely help you. So the reason for this video is that I became an I'm so excited I can't even talk. The reason for this video is that I wanted to let you guys know that I became an Herbalife distributor. So I did get this big beautiful box, and I have something super exciting to share with you guys. In this giant box I have, this is just so big, I need help. I have 3 of these packages, and then I have this big old thing of pamphlets that I have to read, and then I also got this super cool bag. But look, it's so cute. It's like a little bag that says Herbalife Nutrition. Then it has a little handle here, so this is so cute. I'm gonna have to read these like today. What is inside these little zipper bags? Do you guys want to know? It is a 3-day trial pack, and I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway. So I'm gonna be giving away one of these little one of these little guys, and I'm gonna open it with you guys. I do not know what's in here, so I'm gonna save these 2. I'm actually going to be selling these 2. So if you guys want a chance to win the free one, all you guys have to do is share this video, be subscribed to my channel, and say that you want a chance to win the 3-day trial pack in the comments below. And the good part about all of this little giveaway is that once you enter this giveaway, you will have a chance to enter the bigger giveaway that my husband and I are going to be doing once we hit 5K subscribers on YouTube. So we're so excited. We made it to 4,000. We went past 4,000. The giveaway is gonna go on for a whole week. Today's Friday. Next Friday on the 6th, it's going to end. So I'm gonna open one of these with you guys so that both of us can see what is in here. So I see that you have all these little packages. So you get Formula 1 plus PDM on the go. So it's a cookies and cream and vanilla packet. So I'm assuming that this is one for breakfast, one for dinner, one for breakfast, one for dinner, one for breakfast, one for dinner. So there's 6 of them in here for 3 days. And then you get 2 raspberry teas. So the serving size, it says there's 3 servings per container in this one package. So I guess you would just split it into 3 to make your tea for the day. And then you get these 2 little pamphlets, I guess, that you can read. It has one in Spanish and one in English. So it says swap high calorie meals for a Formula 1 and PDM on the go shake. So it tells you, like, can you guys see here? It has a hamburger with french fries and the drink is 640 calories. 2 taco supremes are 380 calories, and then 1 pack of Formula 1 and PDM is only 150 calories, 2.5 grams of fat, 17 grams of protein, and 0 milligrams of cholesterol. This over here, the burger, has 19 grams of fat, 16 grams of protein, 30 grams of cholesterol. The tacos are 22 grams of fat, 17 grams protein, and 55 of cholesterol. So you guys decide what you want. You want a healthy lifestyle, or you guys just want to keep on living the unhealthy life? So it says we've included 6 packets of PDM and Formula 1 along with 2 packets of Herbalife tea concentrate, 3 servings per packet, or 2 packets of Total Control, 3 tablets per packet, which can be used alongside your weight management program. So that is just amazing. How does it work? It's simple. For weight loss, you swap your regular breakfast for a Formula 1 and PDM shake, and do the same for either lunch or dinner, and you prepare a healthy 3rd meal. So like I said, I swap out 2 meals for 2 shakes, and I just have to worry about coming up with 1 meal a day, which is not bad. It helps boost your metabolism and the feeling of energy, and all you have to do for that is drink your herbal tea, and that's pretty much it, you guys. Herbalife is so amazing. I get asked all the time, why did I start taking Herbalife? What made me start Herbalife? And basically, it was my health. I felt unhealthy. I felt so unhealthy. I was always tired. I never wanted to do anything. I was always sleepy. I didn't have energy. I felt disgusting within my own skin. I was far from comfortable. I hated looking in the mirror. Like, it was just I just hated it so much. That's something that nobody ever wants to feel. So I started taking Herbalife, and within a month I noticed a big change. I used to have I still have really big hips, but when I would walk, I always felt bloated, and my arms would rub on the side of my body, and they didn't. After a month of taking these products, I lost inches super fast. So I drank these products for a whole month before I started exercising. I lost a good amount of water retention. I wasn't bloated anymore. I lost inches in my midsection. So the products definitely work. I would say you have to work with them to see the best results. I signed up for a gym, so I started going to the gym 3 times a week. I'm working on going 5 days out of the week, and I just kept up with my Herbalife. I do it consistently. I drink them every single day the way that I'm supposed to. The foods that I'm eating are also healthy foods. So it will definitely work if you work with it. That is what I tell everybody. So if you guys want a chance to win one of these and you want to either purchase one of these, I'm going to be selling them for 30 bucks. If you guys don't want to wait for the giveaway and you guys are just like, I want to try Herbalife, let me get this 3-day trial pack, then just comment on the video or follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I will leave both of them right here so that you guys can send me a message on there. You can cash at me the 30 bucks and I will send these trial packs out to you ASAP. So I promise that you should see a difference in just 3 days of taking these products. So let me know. It's probably the best thing that you guys could do for yourselves. Like, this will definitely work. I don't know what else to say about Herbalife with that, like, besides saying that it's freaking amazing. Like, it's a life-changing product. It'll definitely help you. And I'm not just saying that because you have to have it, or like because I want to help you guys. The way that I'm busting my butt recording, filming and editing, staying up late to put these workout videos out for you guys, I also want to help you guys in your eating habits, and Herbalife will definitely help you. If you guys are just ready and want to place an order for Herbalife, or if you guys have any other questions, feel free to let me know. Instagram, Snapchat is where you guys can find me. I'm active, very active on both of those, and then we'll go from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry that I had to switch from my camera to my phone, but I'm going to edit this and upload it like today. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.